In this video, we will show you how to apply for a building plan copy using your City of Capetown eService account. At this point, you should already have your own eService account with development management activated. If you don't, no worries, we have our videos on how to do this. You can go to our channel and watch the videos in sequence from the playlist. At the end of this video, you would have requested a building plan, submitted the request, and you will have the pro forma invoice for payment. Let's start. As before, go to www.capetown.gov.za. Click on the yellow block, City Connect, click on the eService link, enter your username and password, then, login. Now that we're in your eService account, click the little link, New eService Portal. This will take you to your work menu page. Click on the block, Building Development Management. This will take you to the Building Development Management page. Next, click on Request Copies of Plans. Now, you will need to say if you are the owner, or applying on behalf of the owner. Click on the arrow. A drop-down will appear. If you are the owner, click on Owner. If not, click on Third Party. If you have selected Owner, the property linked to your ID number will automatically appear at the bottom. Make sure this is the address for the plan you want to request. If the property does not automatically load, or if the address is incorrect, you can manually select the property. To do this, you will have to select Third Party in the drop-down box. Now, you will have the option to request any plan for any property from the list. Note, if you are using the third party option, you will need a request form or power of attorney. More on that later. Now, enter the ERF number. Then, choose the allotment area from the drop-down list. Once you have done this, the property will appear in this line, as seen on screen. You will see a small Request button. Clicking this button will open a prompt for you to confirm. Then, the note box will appear. Enter the details of your request. In this box, you can specify which plans you need. This option is mostly for malls, factories, blocks of flats and farmlands. They would need to specify things such as unit number, shop name in mall, fire plan, etc. If you need all the plans, just type all. The property selection will be successful. You will receive a case number. Make sure to note it down. Click OK. A prompt will appear telling you that you will have to click the Submit button before the case is officially submitted. Click OK. Your quotation will load and display in this window. On some browsers, this will not display. Not to worry. Click on Close. If you have selected Third-Party Request, you will still need to upload your power of attorney. These form links are available in the description. If you are the owner, you will still need to sign and upload the form. From the drop-down, select Power of Attorney. Click the Upload button and browse for the completed form on your PC or smartphone. Then, click on Submit. Your pro forma invoice will load, then save it on your device. Congratulations, you have now successfully submitted your plan request. After payment, the process may take 7 to 10 working days, so it is critical to submit as soon as possible. Before we end this video, we will show you where to find your plan after it has been loaded. As before, go to City of Capetown website, click yellow block, click eService, then login. Click New eService link. Then click on My Dams Applications. You will see the record you submitted here. Click on that record. Scroll down. If the plan has been loaded, the PDF attachment will be there. From here, you can click and download the file. You can also find your pro forma invoice here if you haven't received it yet. This is the entire process to request building plan copies via City of Capetown eService. If this video was of help, please subscribe and share to a friend that might find it helpful. To watch videos in sequence, click left. Click right to view the next video.